Let's get started. Look for the link below. This is how it looks when you put the first egg. Now let's add the second egg. And for the third egg. All 3 eggs are put in. Now, time for lychee powder. Baking powder. Add flour slowly. Oop. Scrape off the edges if needed. Our batter is ready. Now let's add the color. Our batter is ready to be put in a pan. And
see you again.
Now let's put the batter in. Carefully spread the dough. Ask an adult to put the tray into the oven. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Insert toothpick to see if it comes out clean. Our first step is done. Cut it into slices. Spread in a tray. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Now flip to the other side. Bake at 350 for 10 more minutes. Enjoy! Don't forget to share with friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. We're ready.
Now for the test.
Let's do a taste test. Delicious!